So I have here my Smith Corona SL500 electric typewriter, and I really haven't done anything much with it, so I thought I would take it out and do something with it. This is one of those things that was not mine originally, but was going to be scrapped, and I thought, it's a shame to trash a perfectly good typewriter. So here it is now. Before we turn this on here, I have some paper to feed into it. So right now this is in basically the locked position. So if you try to slide this in here, you can do that, but it's not quite right. What you really want to do is flip that, and then that will recess a little bit, and then you can slide this down, and notice how it comes up under where the typewriter head actually is, and behind this, so that's good. And then you'll notice that if you try to do this, that doesn't really work. So what you have to do, once you've got that in right, is put it back in the locked position, and then it really should come up like this, and then you can put that there, and that moves just like you'd expect it to. So we go ahead and turn this on. Alright, so there we are. So there's actually not really much ink at all in this particular typewriter, so that's almost certainly not legible. And there we go. That did not actually type what I was typing, so I think that's a little bit out of whack there, something with a ribbon perhaps. This has probably been sitting in a room for decades without being used, so for that condition it's actually not too bad. Now it does say that there is a demo program here that you can activate by doing code Z, so do that. Okay. It's not typing anything that makes sense, but it's certainly something to look at. Alright, and that's the demo program. So, obviously it's only going this length of the page because it's really meant for a piece of paper in portrait mode, not in landscape mode as I have it in here. But yeah, that's the demo program. So, there's not really that much else, I think, to show here. I'm sure there's all sorts of cool features that I'm not familiar with, but I know some people out there do like typewriters, and so I wanted to put this up for that. So